The woods are lovely, dark and deep, but I have promises to keep and miles to go before I sleep, and miles to go before I sleep. These immortal words of Robert Frost were a source of inspiration for Jawaharlal Nehru, the first Prime Minister of India, in his vital task of churning out a new India, a young nation that became independent from colonial rule after 3 centuries. Poetry is a song of freedom that enables everyone to affirm our identity through creation. Through its words and its rhythm, poetry gives shape to our dreams of peace, justice and dignity, and gives us the strength and the desire to mobilize to make them real. On the World Poetry Day today, we are reminded of the magical impact the poets have cast on our readers for generations from time immemorial. Where the mind is without fear and the head is held high, into that heaven of freedom, my father, let my country awake. Thus spake Rabindranath Tagore, instilling vibrant courage in the minds of youth and leaders who joined the followers in the freedom movement in large numbers. Poetry has always been a part of history, from transmitting stories from generation to generation to spreading new ideas. Poetry has always been an intellectual articulation of the human mind. Can anyone forget the lines of Rudyard Kipling? If you can meet with triumph and disaster and treat those two impostors just the same. These golden words prove to be the guiding light of many a sportsperson and businessman who sailed across all struggles. And who else could have best described the deepest emotions felt by the human mind than the Bard of Avon, Sir William Shakespeare? All the world's a stage, and the men and women merely players. They have their exits and their entrances, and one man in his time plays many parts. Can they be a better talisman for a wiser living? Let this wonderful day be a kind reminder that the human race has a valuable trove of everlasting poetic treasure that serves as a panacea for all miseries and sufferings. With Bureau Inputs, DD News.